Here I've got OPPO Find X2 Pro, and let me show you how to activate night mode on this phone. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice eye comfort mode. Smoothly tap here, and now it is active. You can smoothly customize it by tapping on the left edge of the icon, and here you can change the temperature. If you would like to apply some warmer or cooler colors, it's up to you. You can smoothly change it smoothly like this. Then you can also activate black and white display. Smoothly mark it here, and as you can see now it is black and white. But let me go back to colors, and if you'd like to turn it off, just click on the switcher. However, you can also set up some scheduled rules. Tap here to do it, and now you can pick start hour and end hour, and from now on eye comfort mode will be activated every day between 11 and 6 a.m. next day. So this is it, but you can also quickly use it via upper bar. Smoothly slide it up and locate eye comfort mode. That's right here. Just mark it. As you can see now it is active, and then just mark the toggle to turn it off. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.